Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to check the data usage on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone, then scroll down and tap on notifications and status bar. From here, just scroll down and tap on more settings. And from here, just scroll down and make sure you enable show data information. And once you enable this option, just swipe down from the top of your smartphone and below the date in your control center, you can find the data usage of your smartphone. Just like that. Now, if you want to check the data usage of the Wi-Fi of your smartphone, just go back. And from here, just scroll down and tap on Wi-Fi. And from here, just scroll down and tap on Wi-Fi data consumption. Now from here, you can see the Wi-Fi data consumption on your smartphone. And if you scroll down, you can see which apps is using how much data on your smartphone. And this is how you can check the data usage on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.